Today I'm going to show you how to clean white Faux leather sneakers and make them look brand new again, all with the help of Dawn Power Wash. Oh no, yep, it doesn't just clean grease in your kitchen, but can tackle dirt on Faux leather shoes too. It's super easy, so let's get started. Step 1. Prep your sneakers. Remove any loose dirt or debris, if any. You can do this by gently brushing or wiping them with a dry cloth. This helps to get rid of the easy stuff before we get into the deep cleaning. You can skip this step like I did if you don't have any debris. Remove the laces to make cleaning easy. Next, we are going to apply the product. Simply spray it directly onto the surface of your sneakers. Make sure you cover all those stained and dirt areas. Let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes so the product can do its work for you. Don't forget to clean the shoelaces as well. Spray them with Dawn Power Wash and let them soak while you clean the sneakers. Then wash and rinse the laces thoroughly and let them air dry completely before lacing them back onto the shoes. Next, use your brush or sponge to gently scrub the surface of your sneakers. I recommend switching between tools based on the area you're cleaning. Use a tougher brush for more stubborn, hard to clean areas. Make sure to focus extra attention on the dirtiest spots for the best results, alright? Look at that. The Dawn Power Wash is great for this job because it's designed to tackle tough dirt and grime. It really makes the work easy. Once you scrub them thoroughly, it's time to rinse. Grab a damp cloth and wipe away all the soap and loosened dirt. Be sure to remove all the soap residue to avoid any potential discoloration. You can rinse the cloth and wipe again as needed. Then let them air dry completely before you wear them again. To speed up the process of drying, you can also use your clean dry towel to pat your sneakers dry. Okay, now look at the difference. The white Faux leather shoes look bright and clean just like new. Amazing. Do you like to wear white sneakers or shoes, or do you avoid them like a plague because they are a pain to clean? Let me know in the comments below. Check out the next video I suggest for more valuable content and share this video with people in your life. Until next time, take care of yourself, my friend, because you're special. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.